How to fix Xiaomi 15 no notification sound. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off your do not disturb mode. Now swipe down to your control center, and if you turn this button on, do not disturb button on, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, you can see the option notifications and status bar. Now click on it. Now here you can see the option app notifications. Now click on it. And here you can turn on or off your apps notification. And here you can turn on your app notifications. After turning on your app notifications, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS, and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.